Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install SolidWorks 2025 without any error. Let's start the installation process. I am going to open this PC. In software section, uh, here I have kept SolidWorks 2025 folder. I am going to extract it. So now there is showing one more zip file. So simply we have to extract it also. Now go to crack folder and there is showing SW 2025 network serial licensing. Simply right click on it and select merge. Yes, want to continue. Okay. And then you have to stop the internet and now in search bar simply search the Windows security and go to virus and threat protection. Click on manage setting and turn off the all security and virus protection. Then I'm going to C drive. Simply then in software section there is showing SolidWorks Blacknet server. Simply copy it and paste in C drive and open this folder and there is showing a server remove and server install to Windows batch file. So first there is server remove, simply right click on it and select run as administrator. Okay, SolidWorks Blacknet servers is not started. Press any key to continue. Okay. Now server install, simply right click on it and select run as administrator. So FlexNet license manager is successfully installed and okay, there is a completed. Press any key to continue. Now in software section go back and there is a setup. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Now keep it by default install on this computer. Select next. There is showing all serial number. Click on next. Then click on cancel. Now there is connecting to SolidWorks installation manager and in product section click on change and which module you want to install, simply keep it by default, and if you don't want to install some modules simply uncheck that one. As your requirement you can select this one for installation. I'm going to keep only SolidWorks and eDrawing. Then go back and go to download option. Sorry, back to summary. Download option, click on change and uncheck this one. Back to summary and okay, I accept the terms of the SolidWorks. Keep it check mark and there it's showing estimated installation size 9 GB. Simply click on install now Okay, keep it by default 25734 at the localhost. Okay, as you can see, there is initiated the installation process. Mm, add this one and this one also. So we have to wait the completion of installation of 100%. Uncheck this one. So what's name inside of 525 and keep it by default. No, thank you, and click on finish. Okay. Then I'm going to open this PC in software section and then go to the tab folder and there is saying SolidWorks for only SolidWorks. Go to copy this one and go to click right and open the program file. Sorry, a program file and go to the SolidWorks spark folder and replace there. Replace the file in the destination. Okay, do this for all current items. Whereas I'm getting one error notification that it can't be completed because the folder or a file it is open in another program. Go to task manager and there is running one program SLDWorks with it. Simply right click on it and select the end type. Okay, now exit this one and then go to each drive where I have kept the software track folder and simply open the SolidWorks file and here it's showing SolidWorks folder. Simply copy this one and again go back to C drive. In program folder there is showing one folder automatically which is come after the installation of SolidWorks. Simply open that one and paste there. Okay, replace the file in the destination. Do this for all current items. Click continue. Okay, now there is a replaced SolidWorks folder. Then again go back. In track folder there is showing a solid squad loader enabler. Simply right click on it and select merge. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to the software. Okay. Then after the completion of installation, you can turn on your internet or Wi-Fi and go to Windows Security and simply turn it on. Yes. Go to manage setting and turn on the all protection and antivirus and simply exit this menu.